Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today inshallah we're going to learn how to say in Arabic I send. How to say I send in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel, and if you could share this video with your friends, I'd be really grateful for this. Thank you. And as we usually do, we take an example first. I sent him a message. I sent him a message. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? I sent him a message. Well, we say أرسلت له رسالة. أرسلت له رسالة. أرسلت له, I sent him a message. رسالة. أرسلت له رسالة. I sent him a message. أرسلت له رسالة. I sent him a message. So I sent means أرسلت. أرسلت. If I said أرسلت لك, it means to you, masculine. أرسلت لك, singular, masculine. Or if I said أرسلت لك, it means you, feminine. أرسلت لك, singular, feminine. If I said أرسلت له, I send him. If I said أرسلت لها, it means I send her. So again, أرسلت لك, it means I send you, to you, singular, masculine. Or أرسلت لك, to you, singular, feminine. Or أرسلت له, أرسلت له, I send him. If I said أرسلت لها, it means I send her. And then after it you add اسم, a noun, the thing that you send. So for example, I sent her some flowers. I sent her some flowers. So first I put أرسلت لها. أرسلت لها, I sent her some flowers بعد الظهور. أرسلت لها بعد الظهور, I sent her some flowers. Or I sent you my CV. I sent you my CV. Let's see. أرسلت لك, I'm talking to a man. أرسلت لك, you, masculine. أرسلت لك my CV سيرتي الذاتية. أرسلت لك سيرتي الذاتية. سيرتي الذاتية, CV, my CV. أرسلت لك سيرتي الذاتية. Okay. I sent him a letter. I sent him a letter. أرسلت لها. أرسلت له, I'm sorry. أرسلت له. أرسلت له, I sent him a letter. خطابا. أرسلت له خطابا. A letter means خطابا. أرسلت له خطابا. So أرسلت means I sent. Okay, and it depends after I sent لك, لك, له, لها. It depends. لك, you, masculine. لك, you, feminine. له, him. لها, her. And after them you add the noun, اسم, the thing that you send. Okay, and that's the end of our lesson, guys. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you have any question, write in the comment and I will reply you, inshallah. I hope this lesson is useful for you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you and assalamu alaikum.